Hi, this is Davion Bell, Career Customer Service. Dial at 443-694-9220 with Davion Bell, 2011 at gmail.com. We have everything from Muscadine, Johnson Formula Cleanser, to Fresh Mint Toothpaste, Rejuvenated Skin. The prices are between is from $28 to close to $300. So, Fresh Mint Toothpaste, and then, but Muscadine juice, a bottle, $7.42. Muscadine 32 ounce, the case, is $52. Then, Cider Blush, $32. Then our filtration system is $53.73. Then replacement shower filtration system, $21.45. Blue water is $8.45. Nature's Pearl brochures is $10.55. And then Muscadine 9-piece set, $28.68, $200.68, and then $70.71 for 4-piece personal set, and then $9.61 for Fresh Mint toothpaste, and then $28 for sunscreen, then $200. With the $218, I think that's the sign up, I think, and then $32.17 is for sunscreen, and then $32.17 5-piece set. And then $9.63, $96.73 gold bag bundle. Then $32.23 for rejuvenated skin. Then skin goes on and so forth. You can see it. Alright, Davion Bell, 4@gmail.com, or 443-694-9220. Thank you for supporting Nature's Pearl.